you get it?
Yeah!
You did?
I know what you're wondering. Katie, why do you look like that? Well, thank her.
She looks good. I don't know what she's talking about.
If for whatever reason you were wondering how she did this,
And if you would like me to do this to you, 15.
I think you're overpricing yourself.
15. I'm an artist. You are my canvas. Wait, what is happening? Can you please leave it on my table? Putting on foundation. You're making me hot, Katie.
I am not doing anything.
And now I'm using concealer.
Why do you look confused already?
Well,
We're not doing
because-
anything complicated yet.
Because you're making me nervous. And my next thing says that I am going, what is this? Setting powder brush. This is my setting
There's two
powder.
though.
Why is there two? So that looks great. My favorite part, eyebrows. Whoa.
Yep.
Put the cat down. I have work to do. This one has got some issues though. Yeah, take a drink. Oh God. All right, so eyes. My darkest is going to be in the crease. Which do I do first?
You have to figure it out.
Fuck it then.
For the crease? Yep, that's right.
Why wouldn't I use this for the crease? It's got the smallest tip.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't like that way. That's looking already.
You're assaulting my eyeball.
Would you shut up?
It's scary.
You have zero idea. I'm gonna do my lid
Yes.
now. Do you ever clean these brushes?
No.
Actually, I don't mind this at all. You might. You know what? If you move, then you get blinded. So let's just take heed.
You don't have to do eyeliner if you're not feeling comfortable.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay. That looks so bad. Oh, mascara.
Oh my God, wait.
I'm not gonna poke you in the eye, you dork.
I can hear you doing something. God.
You look far worse than this, just so you know.
It all looks different now that you can see. Oh my God, you look like in Toy Story 2 when that guy is fixing Woody. That's exactly what you look like right now.
You better guzzle it. It is time for contouring. Seems like a lot. Ooh, my. Let's make your nose look thinner.
Can I have my emotional support?
Yeah, it's not gonna help you, my friend. Now I'm gonna highlight you with this brush.
Nope. You know, something inside me is telling me I do look like a clown.
Okay.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
I don't even see it on there.
Oh my God, Mom. I feel like that brush smells like feet.
Oh my God.
Does it?
It does smell like feet.
Smells like
Do
feet.
something about that, would you? You look like you have black eyes. That's what you have, like a black eye underneath your eyes. What kind of lips should we go with this look? This is like goth.
I don't know what to do. I've never had anyone else put on my list.
This is like hooker red. I apologize to all the hookers out there.
You don't deserve this.
You don't have any gloss.
No.
This is glossy, right?
Kind of. You can't put this on top of red.
I can do whatever I want. It's my makeup tutorial.
Are we done here? Do I get to see now?
What? It's not that bad, is it?
Mom.
What? Okay, what's the problem? What do you
Well,
like?
how much time do you have?
Well, what?
The eyebrows are not terrible.
I think your face doesn't look bad.
I look like a very, very new drag queen.
Who doesn't know a thing
Who
about
doesn't know
being a drag queen.
goddamn thing.
I think it's pretty, and I did a good job. High five me. We need to rate this.
I would give you... Seven. Thanks so much for watching this far. I don't know how you made it through. Truly, you are a saint. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Make them tell their friends to subscribe. Tell every person in the entire world that you know to subscribe.
Yeah, and then they'll tell two friends, and they'll tell two friends, and so on.
And then we'll
And so
conquer the
on.
world.
With my makeup.